Here, do you want to play hide and seek?
Yes, but I have many things to do.
Mom, do you want to play hide and seek?
No, thank you. I have many things to do.
Okay, I play alone. Where is Lily?
I don't know. Maybe she is with the neighbor. Maybe. Come on. Yes, let's go. Ding dong. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
How are you? I'm good. But have you seen Lily? No. Why? We can't find her. Do you want me to help you? Yes, please. Let's go to Sophie's house.
Okay.
Let's go.
Life is broke and my baby's gone.
Hello.
Hello. Have you seen Lily?
No. Why?
We can't find her.
Do you want me to help you?
Yes, please.
Hurricane Katrina victim.
Lily.
I was inspired just by watching
Lily.
all the highlights of my family
Lily.
from New Orleans, Louisiana.
Lily.
So finally this year I got the chance to go back to New Orleans
Lily.
and sing this
Where
song.
are you? Lily. Lily.
We can find her.
Let's call the police.
Okay.
Hello.
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 What's going on? We can't find Lily.
Okay. Let's keep looking.
Okay.
Now we there.
Lily. 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 Where are you?
In a real dark
Lily.
night.
Lily. Where are you? Lily. I know where she is. Lily, you are here.
Yes, you found it.
Where are you? In the closet.
Mr. Sorry.
Hello? Mom! We found Lily! Really? Okay. I'm so happy. Let's eat cookies! Yes!
I need to feel some life. So many souls crying. How could this be? Every step I take.
A ver, ya se está.
Action. Action.
Hello, what's going on? We can't find Lily.
Okay.
Somebody please tell me what's going wrong.